Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to declutter your countertops and revolutionize your cooking. This is the AEWHALE 8-in-1 Digital Multifunctional Electric Skillet with lid, and it's aiming to be your new kitchen workhorse. Let's start with the big claim. This single appliance aims to replace a slow cooker, an air fryer, a wok, and even a rice cooker. That's a bold statement, and it's built around its 8 distinct cooking functions. The idea here is to consolidate your cooking needs into one unit, freeing up valuable space in your kitchen. And for those who crave versatility, the AEWHALE doesn't disappoint. One of the standout features is its oven-safe capability. The 4.5-quart cooking pan can be safely placed in an oven up to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is fantastic for finishing dishes, achieving that perfect crispy texture on roasts, or even baking certain items. Imagine searing your steak on the stovetop and then transferring the entire pan to the oven to finish it off to perfection. Just remember, other accessory pans like the griddle or air fryer pan are not designed to go into the oven. And when it comes out of the oven, you'll want to use an insulating mat, as the pan gets extremely hot. For health-conscious cooks, the inclusion of an air fryer pan is a significant plus. It boasts up to 75% fat loss compared to traditional deep frying, delivering a satisfyingly crispy crust without the guilt. Plus, you can air fry directly from frozen, which is a huge time saver for busy weeknights. No more waiting for ingredients to thaw. The AEWHALE comes equipped with a generous set of accessories. Beyond the main base and the stainless steel lid, you'll find a steamer tray, a griddle grill pan, an air fryer pan, and a deep cooking pot. This array of plates means you can truly explore a wide range of cooking methods. Whether you're steaming vegetables, grilling burgers, stir-frying noodles, or braising a stew, this skillet is designed to handle it. And for families, the capacity is quite impressive. The one-pot cooking concept is ideal for feeding a group, making it suitable for everyday family meals or even for taking on outdoor adventures like camping. The idea of having one appliance that can prepare a complete meal for multiple people is very appealing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the versatility is undeniable. Having 8 cooking functions in one unit is a major space saver and simplifies meal preparation. The oven-safe feature adds a significant layer of functionality, allowing for more advanced cooking techniques. The air frying capability is also a big win for healthier eating. The included accessories are plentiful and cover a good range of cooking styles. The family-sized capacity is also a strong selling point. However, there are a few things to consider. While it aims to replace multiple appliances, it's still a single unit, meaning you can only perform one cooking function at a time. If you need to simultaneously steam and air fry, for example, this won't be your solution. The oven-safe claim is fantastic, but it applies only to the main cooking pan, and you'll need to be mindful of transferring hot cookware from the oven. The effectiveness of each of the 8 functions might also vary. While it can do many things, it might not excel at every single one as much as a dedicated appliance. For instance, an air fryer specifically designed for air frying might offer more precise control or better circulation. Cleaning can also be a factor with multiple accessories. In conclusion, the AEWHALE 8-in-1 Digital Multifunctional Electric Skillet is an ambitious and feature-rich appliance. It offers incredible versatility, space-saving potential, and healthier cooking options with its air fryer function. If you're looking to streamline your kitchen and explore a variety of cooking methods with a single appliance, and you're comfortable with the limitations of a multifunctional unit, this AEWHALE skillet is definitely worth a close look. Link in the description.